Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our room at the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina, so let's take a look. This is a double marina view room. You can see it's a beautiful room with two double beds and nice and spacious. It's got beautiful artwork on the wall, got two beautiful double beds. They're not lofted, but that's okay. Full-length mirror, and a nice big flat screen TV, and a nice credenza. And inside the credenza, got a little coffee machine and more storage. Got a little dresser here, drawers for more storage, and a mini fridge to keep your food or beverages cold, which is very nice. In between the beds, you got another drawer for more storage, and US and USB plugs, and lights for both beds. Got a nice desk here with a comfortable chair, and an ice bucket, and more plugs, US and USB plugs. It's a beautiful room. Looks like it's been updated. We're in the tower of the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina, and one of the best features of the room is this view and the balcony. It's just amazing. So you come outside, you have this beautiful balcony with two comfortable chairs and a coffee table. So you can imagine yourself sitting out here enjoying the view as you drink the beverage of your choice. There's the harbor right there with a Princess cruise ship and a Celebrity cruise ship. They're really close to the cruise port, so it's a perfect hotel for cruises. And there's the Fort Lauderdale Convention Center right there as well. So it's just beautiful. And there's the waterways with all the yachts and the marinas. It's just beautiful. That's why it's called the Fort Lauderdale Marina, Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina. So coming back into the room, it is just a beautiful room. Over just inside the doors, you have the closet. Good sized closet with nice hanging space. You've got an ironing board and a luggage rack and an iron and a safe for your valuables. And more storage space on those shelves. And then just opposite the closet is the bathroom. So you have a nice single vanity with a backlit mirror and more storage underneath the vanity. Got the facilities, of course, and a nice big walk-in shower and a rain shower head and a shower wand. So just a beautiful double marina view room at the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina Hotel. So when you're ready to book your next cruise out of Fort Lauderdale, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.